Hey guys, I'm Chris Norwood, and I'm on a journey to hear every song ever recorded. And today, we're going to be doing an unboxing video on, bless you, of the Manly microphone. It is a professional studio condenser microphone, computer PC microphone kit with 3.5 mm LXR/pop filter / scissor arm stand, shock mount for professional studio recording, podcasting, broadcasting in black. This is going to greatly help my YouTube videos if this works with my camera. I really hope it does. It's kind of hard to find information on what microphones work with what. Some very nice black styrofoam there. Really like that. And here we're getting into the stuff already. I'm going to be like a real YouTuber once I get this set up. Looks like there's going to be some assembly involved. User manual. It's going to hopefully tell me how to assemble this item. Oh, that is heavy. Ooh, that is a nice, very, very heavy base right there. And we've got, I'm not a microphone expert by any means. I'm going to be learning because I am a musician, I am a podcaster, YouTuber, and I need to get better. You guys can hear it. My audio is not great. So this hopefully will work with my setup. I've got some cable cords here, kind of unusual green and red cords. You got a usual black cord. Next up we got this with unboxing and unbagging. Got some bubble wrap. We got a microphone doohickey. Excuse me. Coming in next, I feel like I'm ranking studio albums here. Another doohickey. It looks like I don't know what it looks like. It looks like an item. This thing. Okay, this is definitely going to require some setup. You're going to have to deal with these little black twisty things. Maybe I'll do a review of this. Hopefully I'll be doing a review using this product in my videos, because man, my audio is not good. And I think here's the real meat of the product. Come on, baby microphone. Come on, oblongata. This is, yeah, get some natural light in there. Look at that. Ooh, styrofoam. That is nice styrofoam. Really like that styrofoam a lot. Here is the microphone. Microphone and styrofoam, they kind of rhyme, but they're not like a standard rhyme. They're kind of like plastic. Bubble wrap again. You get everything. So there's not a whole lot here. Okay, this looks nice. A Manly microphone. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, alright, let's make some music tonight. This has been an unboxing of the Manly microphone for YouTube podcasting from Amazon. I think I paid, what did I pay? $65.93 for this. And it looks pretty darn good. This is it put together. Hopefully this is going to work out pretty good. I don't want my neighbors watching me act a fool in here. Let's see if we can assemble this, shall we? I don't know if I can. I am not an assembler. I'm not a handy kind of guy. So this might take a while. Yeah, it does look like some assembly required. Let's see what's going on. User manual, podcasting microphone kit. Do we want to do this in English Dutch or a language I can't translate. Anti-wind foam cap. This is a POP filter. Microphone body. Well, I guess that's kind of part of that. Microphone stand. This is stand. Frequency response. Recording vocals. Okay, let's get started. This. This way. The black end screwing into the base. So a little bit tricky getting the threads in. That's okay. We are succeeding. We are succeeding. We have succeeded. This is, oh man. So then you take your microphone part of the microphone and find this this evil looking piece right here, like a saw trap. What do? Oh dear goodness, what do we do? Oh, okay. So this is the next step. Take this, you got your base with your thingy. You're going to be, oh yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Tiny telephone look here. We're taking the actual microphone itself. It says Manly on it. I don't see what they're talking about here. I couldn't figure out the manual, so I just plugged this into here because that wasn't in there. It's showing. Okay, I kind of skipped around a little bit. The instructions are very vague. There's only like 3 pictures here. There's more parts than there are pictures. So I was gonna initially try to look up another YouTube video to show me how to build this, but I got it. I think I got it. Okay, so yeah, now I'm a professional YouTuber. How do we use this thing? Very awkward. That goes above the thingy, the height there. Yeah, that makes more sense. There. Now I'm a professional YouTuber. Yeah. I'm totally gonna have to look up and see the angles.